Here you go.
Somebody said Team Puss has spoken. Team Puss standing firm and strong.
Cash up, man. Put up my cash up, but this little cash up below. Look here where I go on.
I'm waiting for this. She ain't saying that. She trying to figure. She don't know how to work IG. Give her a minute.
They said she a gang leader, so she over there lead them, but a Red Bull really a lead them, you know. She said she a call the general post. No, she want peace, so she have to come over here, so and she need to talk to the rhinoceros in her camp, the dinosaur, and her them minutes.
They deserve to be bullied. Look how many years they hard fret bully people on Instagram. Tell me they some fucking SWAT team and the SWAT team don't play and fucking with people's jobs and livelihoods and husbands and things. Good for a fat ass.
Man, come and try to find everyone.
I know where Candy at. Candy ain't nowhere near where we at. She all the way in the Bronx.
Hello, everyone. When I hear me?
We hearing you.
I go rubber she over there spit me out a singer and me out, you know. I
take a big man and a big woman to apologize, but not the way how she want to do it. She have to come here.
All right.
You want to go do it privately. You can't do that. You got to come and make peace with the group, with a group of select the people.
From diary to this to that to
Tanya got everybody blocked on. How you gonna add Tanya to the live?
Yep. No one put it. No one put it in Tanya Black. All of it. Oh, okay. But Tanya not come on yet.
She got everybody blocked. She wanna